Bend towards your side. Ich, ni, san, shi. Look, sich, haj. Change your side. Ich, ni, san, shi. Go, look, sich, haj. Both hands up, on toes. Ich, ni, san, shi. Go, look, sich, haj. Down. Now bend in front with interlock pitch. Haj, sideways, ich, ni, san, shi. Go, look, sich, haj. Rotate your wrist. Ich, ni, san, shi. Go, look, sich, haj. Reverse. Ich, ni, san, shi. Go, look, sich, haj. From elbow. Ich, ni, san, shi. Both arms together. Ich, ni, san, shi. Now your palm down, facing down. Ich, ni, san, shi. Go, look, sich, haj. Inside. Ich, ni, san, shi. And keep your right hand in front. Swing in front and back. Ich, ni, san, shi. Go. Okay, change.
Okay. Shudan Chokusuki. Each. After this, same Uchiyuke knee. Okay. Some Shudan Chokusuki. Followed Uchiyuke shi. Okay. Right. Go. Rook. Siege. Arch. Q. Ju.
Right.
H. Knee. Some. Chi. Go. Rook. Siege. Arch. Q. Ju.
Right.
Okay. Now, आगे okay. Each. Same hand. Soto के knee. Same hand. Gidan barai. Some. Other hand. Shield. आगे okay. Go. Soto के Rook. Gidan barai. Siege. Arch. Q. Chill. First count, Gedan Marai. Second count, Kuraken and stop. Third count, Gedan Marai. Fourth count, Kuraken and stop. Okay? Each right hand. Knee, back fist. Some. Chi. Go. Hook. Siege. Arch. Q. Chill.
Right.
Okay, yo. Okay, first count at the knee level. Okay. Second count at the stomach level. Okay. Third count slightly up at the face level. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Three level down, center, up. Mind getting. So you can stand this way. Don't join your leg. Stand in both the feet apart, distance equivalent to your waist. So first, on the knee, okay, each. Second, in the stomach, knee, okay. Third, on the face, some. Other leg, chi, on the knee. Go, in the stomach. Do, on the face. Yes. Each. Knee, some, chi, go, do. Okay, on. Okay, now join your feet together. Hold your hands here. Okay, now as fast as possible, go for a knee level kick. Each. Knee, fast. Some, chi, faster. Go, look, stitch. Arch, Q, chill.
Right.
Okay. Now slightly up. Stomach level. Reach and pull back and then down. Knee, pull back and then down. Thumb, pull back and then down. Chi, pull back and down. Go, pull back and down. Root, pull back and down. Siege, pull back and down. Arch, pull back and down. Q, pull back and down. Two, right?
Right.
And yo. So Stretch your hamstrings. Down, up, down. Spread your legs. Okay, hands on your waist. Try to go back. Look back. Okay, hands in front. Try to go down. Look down. Okay. Push touch. Great. Side, like kata basai there. Okay. Shiranzuki and cross. Second count here. Third count. Chiyuke. Turn towards your left. And again ready in you. Then change your hand. Shiranzuki with the left hand. Then cross. Hand to Chiyuke. Understand? And then ready yoi. Yoi. Left hand out. Stomach punch. Itch. Now cross your hand, right hand outside. Knee. Now shift towards your left side and Uchiuke with the right hand. Chudanzuki. Chudan Chokuzuki with the left hand. Itch. Now cross. Left hand outside. Uchiuke with the left hand. And facing towards the right. But then when you do Uchiuke, look towards your Uchiuke hand. Itch. Back. Turn out. Itch. Knee. Sa. And yo. Right hand out. Itch. Knee. Sa. And yo. Okay. Left hand out. Itch. Knee. Sa. And yo. Okay. Right hand out. Itch. Knee. Sa. And yo. Okay. Just do it for 10 counts. Knee. Now, some. Ready for crossing? She. Go. Yummy. Other hand out. Itch. Knee. Ready for crossing? Go. Row. Yummy. Yes. In one count, watch how it has to be done. Itch. And back. Okay, change your hand. Knee. And back. Change your hand. Take your left leg forward. Okay, left leg forward. All of you. Fine. Come body square. Okay. First count, just do a maigiri and back. Okay. Second count, you have to do this way. Knee. Okay. This is for kata MP. Third count, back kamaigiri. Fourth count change. Okay, watch this. This is maigiri and back. Okay. Suppose you do maigiri and back. Then you need to just shift your body and be like this. Okay, and here you do to get over. You're here. You're here fighting the person with a maigiri, okay? So maigiri you hit and you pull back. Suddenly that person also does a maigiri. And each, so bam, you're back. You're away from it. Away from the person. Okay, you hit a maigiri and pull back. But if the other person is hitting a maigiri and the distance is too small, you're not able to block. So that time increase the distance. Itch and bam, this way from the other side. So you block it here. So moving away from the attacker. Moving away from the kick. The more you practice, you will understand. Maybe 1-2 times you will make a mistake. But that is okay. Right leg back in Rakamai. Kamaite. Okay. Maigiri, okay. Itch. Now you did a maigiri, somebody else blocked. Somebody is doing a maigiri, you turn your sides and block it. Knee. Yes. Correct. Okay, yummy. Yoi. When you stand and do some technique, this has no restrictions, but here there are certain restrictions. What if suddenly you fall and somebody tries to overpower you? So before that person comes closer, you can strike on the chin. Knee. Some. She. Come on. Go. Ruk. Focus on your strength. Knee. Come on. Some. She. go, look, sit, hot, kill, chew. Okay. Rest your arms on the floor. She, go, look, sit, hot, kill, chew. See, there are no limitations, okay? The only limitation is the human mind. If you go beyond, then there is no limitation. Ich, ni, sam, she, go, look, sit, hutch, kill, chew. Okay, right hand. Okay, now somebody approaching you from the top, you are in this position. Now, before that approach is made, you strike your elbow towards that person. Use your body as a strong base. Ich, strike. Back and ready. Yes. You can also shift and try to rise up and strike. That's okay. Each. Yes, back. This is more phenomenal strike. Knee, come on. Yes. You can use the hand which is on the floor as a supporting hand. And if you want to increase the range of motion, you can make the bended arm straight. So you have more range to strike. Knee, come on. Some, come on, strongly. She, go. Knee. Here your eyes play a major role. Your eyes will guide you the direction. Your elbow should not go here and there because this is just one chance. See, you are already on the floor. Before somebody overpowers you, you have got this one golden chance not to miss. This one golden chance will decide whether you are a victim or a victor. So use this in the best possible manner. All your senses focusing towards the opponent. Itch, back, knee, come on. Integrate everything and go for a strong elbow strike. Siege, touch, come on. Cue, chew, itch, move, knee, move, another side, strike. Yes. Let's try again. Itch, knee, move. 1, 2, and move. Bam. Strike with the left hand. Itch. And kick with the right leg. She. And back. Back again. Back to your normal position. Strike with the left elbow. Itch. Move. Upward strike. Remember, upward strike. Knee. Kick with the right leg. Yes. This can be a kick. This can be a push. You can use it as per the requirement. Move. Bam. Bam. Come on. Knee. Come on. Move. Yes. So for all those who say karate cannot work on the ground, this is a strong answer to them. Bujutsu is a complete martial art. Okay. Understand one thing. In a human body, in a human being, we stand on our feet, both the feet. Okay, the feet are only support on the floor, or we touch the earth only via our feet when we are standing. But when we land down, when we rest, we touch the whole body. So the area is more when we are resting. But when we are standing, we just have our soles touching the feet. And the soles bear the whole weight of the body, right? Now, so when one of the leg is up, it's only up to one of the leg to have the entire body weight, right? So at that time, when you strike, when you lift up your leg for any of the strike, you are completely focusing on one of the legs. And you need to have this strong. At the same time, your kicks also need to work. But on the street, what works is not a fancy kick. On the street, what works is something which is right from the thigh to the calf to the shin, this portion. From here to here, this works on the street. Okay, so how to make your kick stronger at the lower side? Because generally, we strike minimum is Chudanzuki, right? But now how to go below Chudanzuki towards Gedan? So first technique, what we do is, first technique, destabilizing an opponent. How do you destabilize an opponent? Like for example, I will come closer to you so you know us. You know the technique better. Now she comes to grab my hair. Okay, so we can do a lot of things here. We can try to take this out. But what if by doing this, we try to destabilize the person? Okay, destabilize in the sense, the person feels not firm. He loses his balance. and we use that as an opportunity. So watch this. Okay. So when you strike the inner side, inner thigh over here. Watch, Nailman will strike me on the inner thigh. Come forward. Each. That's oh, listen. Okay, knee, inner thigh. Here. It pains a lot. Okay, it really pains a lot. You feel an excruciating pain in the inner thigh muscle. Very much. Okay. To a level that you lose your stability, at the same time you lose your senses. What's happening? Because things are expected to come this way. They are not expected to come from down. And they come from down, they strike, and you create a surprise for the opponent, okay, which the opponent never expected. Okay, how to do it? Just from here, don't go straight. Go cross each. Go cross. Go cross. 1, 2. Okay, slightly. From here, showman to Hanmi and back. Showman to Hanmi and back. Showman to Hanmi and back. Hanmi and back. This is a cycle. I kept it in the center, right? Watch it. Watch it. Now I'm here. I'm here this way, maybe. So, here. Then practice. And back. Okay, then here. So, this, can you see this? This part? Okay, this is facing my leg, left leg. But my right leg is outside. So I should come from right to the left and back. Similarly, left to the right and back. Okay? So from here, on back, then on back. Okay? So let's try. Reach and back, and knee and back, some and back, she and back. On the inner thigh, reach and back, knee and back. Use your hip, reach and back, knee and back, some and back, she and back. Here. Remember the combination. Itch, knee, some, faster. She, faster, faster. Use your waist and glutes. Hutch. Q. Slightly turning your body will help. Hutch. Q, faster. Q.
Hey.
Okay. Just do it by looking straight. You have to involve yourself, not only your leg, but the whole body, your mind has to be involved in your technique. Itch. As if at that point you are only doing that, nothing else. Touch.
Shihani. Ray.
Okay, fine. So write down your transcribes and do let us know how did you feel about today's session, right? And see you on Tuesday with the same Josh.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Os, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Train hard. Okay.